Sean Brown is 12 years old, but at 10 he published his first book. He loves reading, and recently Flo invited him to read to students on Read Across Jamaica Day.
It was a first homework from my teacher, Miss Don Wilson, but then it turned into a published book when I was saying, hey, can I get it published to my parents? And then we did.
Sean is a student of the Meadowbrook High School in St. Andrew. For now, he wants to become an engineer. But his father, Sean Brown Sr., says he wants his son to continue reading and hopes he can inspire others.
The fact that he was able to publish a book, it will cause other young minds, other children to be inspired by that effort. And also the most important thing I think we should take from this is the fact that more parents are to get involved in reading with their children and to spend that quality time. It's critical, and you should do it at the very early stage.
For their contribution, representatives of the Unicum group read to students of the Pembroke Hall Primary School in St. Andrew. The students all loved the gesture and stayed attentive throughout the reading session. One student, Dejanel Brown, shared the importance of reading.
Reading helps you to learn new words and things about learning, writing, and other things that you can learn.
Malik Wright, who is the most improved student in his class in reading, tells us what made him improve.
I was not able to pronounce the words good, and my mother bought a book for me and with pronunciation of some words, and I sit and I pronounce all of them, and now I can pronounce all the words.
I'm Kirk Wright for The Way of Hope.